Hello students, this is your own channel ICSE updates, and today we are going to discuss, I am going to post the test paper of Goyal. So please do practice this test paper, very important test paper. Comparing other test paper, this is very important test paper. Do not scan the QR code and see the answers. Do it by yourself, and very important for your ICSE these type of questions. So just please do see. I am holding this. I think it is clear. Moving on to next page, we see okay, number 2, question 2 we come here. You see, please pause the video and solve. You see, in compulsory part, this mensuration chapter is very important, that are likely to be set up for your ICSE. Reflection is very also important. So these are very important. Section B, please see the question, do solve, okay, and comment if you have any problem. And after solving this reflection sum, name the geometrical figure and what is that, name it, and just write the name of the geometry in the comments. Okay, I will just check whether you have done it correct or not. Question 9. So today up to this, and another thing, I am to show you some most important questions for your competency questions. So important questions from your competency question is this one, GST. These type of questions are likely to become. This type of chart will be given to you and you have to solve it. Okay, so please solve. Okay, I am holding. Next, this one is very important. This type of frequency, they will ask you to make a frequency table, and very important. Next sum that is going to come is this one, construction, very important. 4 marks question likely to come from this part. Okay, and next, this one, this sum very important sum for your ICSE. This type of sum are likely to come to be set up for your examination. And this one, missing frequency sum, this is also very important sum. Missing frequency sum are likely to come as suggestive. I am today, another thing I am going to tell you, that despite of showing you that other test papers I showed you, you will solve it, and then elsewhere I am also telling you the suggestive chapters for your ICSE examination. So these are the most important chapters. Answers I will not show you. I will discuss about the suggestive chapters. So let's close this test paper and and just discuss. So coming to your book, the most important chapters for your ICSE is these 3. Banking is very important. 4 marks questions are likely to come here. Share and dividend also very important. GST may come or may not come, 50% probability. But from here, these 2 chapters, 90% probability are come either from here or they from here. Algebra, linear equation, these algebra part are likely to be set up in your choice section, not in your compulsory section. So you do practice for your choice section. Reflection is very important for your compulsory part. Okay, reflection is very important. And this one, remember the formula is, okay, y minus 1 is equal to mx minus x1, y is equal to mx plus c. Everywhere in this chapter to compare the equation with this formula. Very important. Y is equal to mx plus c. And just do remember m as slope, gradient, tan theta. M is same, okay, slope, gradient, anything is same, okay, y-intercept, whatever, it is same. Another thing I'm going to tell you, if don't forget, if slope is parallel, then m1 is equal to m2, okay, and if m1 slope is perpendicular to each other, then m1 into m2 is equal to -1. This is for perpendicular and this is parallel. Okay, don't forget, this is parallel, this is perpendicular. Geometry, similarity is very important. Locus is least important. Okay, circles are very important chapter. Okay, and cyclic properties, tangent properties, secant properties. Okay, please do learn them. BPT theorem, that is Thales theorem, is very important. Okay, these are the most important chapters. So this is an arithmetic progression, this sum is very important. Okay, sum part, sum from sum, 3 marks question can come. Sum formula is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d, very important part. Next, trigonometry, very important for you, compulsory. Okay, compulsory. Mensuration is very important for a compulsory. This year reflection line to come in a compulsory instead of mensuration, because last year mensuration has there. Very important. Statistics, a very important chapter. And probability. Statistics very important. Very important part is that finding the missing frequency. This question can come. Okay, a chart will be given in between. The f will be written, and that f you have to find. That is E f I x I, that by f a is the assumed mean. So please do practice this chapter if you want to attempt in choice section. Now, you all know what is coming now. If this video had helped you, the suggestive chapters I told you had helped you, then do like this video, do subscribe. Don't forget, okay? Thanks for watching the video, students. Best of luck for your exams. Do practice, you will be able to score well. Thanks.